So what we see here is two experienced boxers going at it. So you can tell they're good because their movement's well. Mohammed on the right in the black shorts, he's been out of boxing for a while. But when you get back to boxing, it's all about relearning what you need to learn. So he didn't warm up properly, but it's muscle memory. It's like riding a bike. So Mohammed looks like he's very experienced. Of course, he's not really fit, but he's kept in shape. I asked him before what his diet was, and he just eats healthy, but he eats whatever he wants. Bilal has been a bit more in the mix. He's been in the trenches, so he's a bit more composed, and he's been doing round after round. So today it's just light sparring, nice and easy, and it's all about enjoying yourself, but enjoying yourself nice and safe. So I'm a referee and a judge as well, so it helps me learn how to keep the distance and control the fights. But in this case, not much control is needed because these boys know what they're doing. And also, one person has a head guard, so how do you need to wear a head guard in sparring? Yes, you can have more vision without a head guard, but they prevent clashes, bruises, and that's the main thing why you use them. So at least one person has to have a head guard on. So here he's just working on trying to get some angles. So this is light sparring and they're just going with the flow. So there's not much technique involved. It's more intuition, and you want to hone your intuition. You want to feel that if you zig, you shouldn't have zagged, or if you zig, that was the correct movement. Because you might do a sweep, you might do a wave, just because you feel it's correct. But that's why sparring is important. You go light, you can test yourself without thinking too much. You can't really think too much when you're sparring. It's all about feeling. So you want to make sure you're feeling the right movements. But you don't want to get too much in your own feelings, so then that makes it bad.